How to rate and review cookies on Crumbl. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can review the cookie on the Crumbl app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside the web browser, simply click on the search bar and simply search for Crumbl cookies. And now here on the result page, simply click on the first link. And once you click on that, you'll be prompted to the official website of Crumbl. So here, make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once logged in, just click on your profile icon and select My Orders from the drop-down menu. And here, choose the order that includes the cookie that you want to review and click View Order. And from here, you can simply scroll down to the cookie and then click Rate this cookie or the star icon below it. And after that, you can simply pick your star rating. And if you'd like, you can leave a short review, maybe something sweet or even constructive. And that's it. Now your review is submitted and may help shape the future Crumbl menu. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.